I think the best thing about these HUUM heaters is the quality of heat and steam you get from them. Check this out, it's the HUUM's flagship heater, the HUUM Drop. And today we will go over everything you need to know about it. Okay, so let's open it up. Nice and gentle. So here we can see the whole thing itself. Straight from the box, you can feel that it's quite sturdy, made from stainless steel. You have the new heating element separator. And here we have the HUUM logo, still covered, like that. There we go. And now this is ready to be installed on the wall of your sauna. Design of the sauna heater, as the name suggests, reassembles a water drop. I think it looks quite cool. Made from stainless steel, the whole thing feels premium and sturdy. Drop comes in 4 different power ratings, each physically the same size with different heating capacity. Generally, these drop heaters are suitable for small to medium sized 2 to 4 person home saunas. A full system, including the stones, control panel and sensors, will set you back around $3,000 to $4,000 depending on the configuration you get. When sized correctly, these things can get a sauna up to 230 Fahrenheit. That's way too hot for my liking, but hey, some people really like their saunas hot. Let's talk about the steam. Steam is what separates HUUM from other sauna manufacturers. When you draw water on the rocks, the steam these heaters give out is so soft and comforting that you want to use your sauna all the time. Electric sauna heaters work in a way that these heating elements inside the cage heat the rocks that will be placed all around them, and these rocks then radiate the heat across the room. Heaters that have a lot of rocks produce the most equal heat and steam you can get in a sauna. The only downside of having more rocks is that the more rocks you have, the longer it takes to heat them up, and thus the longer it takes for your sauna to heat up. But we're talking about a 15-minute difference at max, and that doesn't really matter thanks to the UKU control system. Here we have a sauna with HUUM Drop sauna heater in it. You can turn this sauna on by pressing the round button on the control panel, then turning to set up your target temperature and pressing again, and now the sauna is heating up. Or alternatively, you have this app on your phone. You can just open the HUUM app, set your target temperature and press this button right here, and boom, your sauna turns on back home. My app is connected to my personal sauna, so now my sauna is heating up in a completely different country, but you get the point. Maybe I should turn it off. You can also control the lights or your ventilation system if you happen to have one through the control panel if you want to. Completely up to you. Now we have covered everything you need to know about the HUUM Drop sauna heater, so I think it's appropriate to end the video here. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 725-777-5484. One of our sauna experts at the US office will be more than happy to help you out with any questions regarding the HUUM Drop sauna heater. Thanks for watching.